Alrighty, you notice from Adventures in Tree Cutting #1, that which is tied to the blue rope was the top of that fir tree, and it was suspended and hung up way up yonder. And so I made the first tug. The blue rope was tied down near the base of it, and then I rigged up a come along and pulled it over as far as I can. Now if it falls back, that's fine. The trail is beyond its reach. It's beyond its grasp. And so what I want to do is I want to pull it towards that blue rope. And this is, you could call it walking walking a tree, because sometimes, especially in the forest, you're going to get hung up. And you'll chop down a tree, cut down a tree, and it doesn't fall all the way, and so it's leaning. And so using a come along, you can walk it down in a way that it goes back and forth, but I want to keep it going that way. So I am going to do something tricky with the come along. It's under tension right now, and I'm going to do a face cut on it on the side you wouldn't think I would. I'm going to do it on my side and then a back cut, because what I want to do is I want to have it crumble and then walk closer to the building. So give it a try here. Move my hand. There's the pavilion. I've got another tree to remove that's fallen in the winter over that. Get it all set up. And hopefully there's some glare of the sun. All right, perfect. Let's see where it's gonna go. I want a certain amount of tension, but I don't want too much tension, because I don't want it to do tricky things while I'm cutting it. I've cleared my space here. I've got a nice escape route. And so, face cut on this side, I think this would be high enough. No. I have to do my face cut on this side and the back cut on here, because I want it to go like this. I was testing you. Nice. And I can keep marching it down like that. Once it gets a little lighter, I don't need to use, well, yeah, I should use my come along to weight it so I don't like jimmy my saw in the back cut. That's basically it. Walking this thing this way. Have a good one. Thank you for watching.